Hello friends, welcome to SRS Spy tutorial. I am Someranjan. In this video, I will discuss about sex determination. The term sex refer to sexual phenotype. There are two types of sexual phenotypes, male and female. The mechanism through which the sex of an individual is established is termed as sex determination. According to sexual phenotype, organisms are classified into two types, monoecious and dioecious. Monoecious are the organisms that bear both male and female reproductive structure, whereas dioecious are the organisms. They consist of either male or female reproductive structure. In dioecious species, sex determination occur by four ways, such as environmental sex determination, genic sex determination, chromosomal sex determination, and haplodiploidy. Environmental sex determination. It is a non-genetic determination of sex, where the environmental factors like temperature, intensity of light determine the sex of one organism. This type of sex determination is found in crocodile. The environmental temperature where the eggs are incubated that induces either maleness or femaleness among the hatchlings. If the eggs are incubated in high temperature that is above 32 degrees Celsius, then all hatchlings will be male. If the eggs are incubated in low temperature that is below 32 degrees Celsius, then all hatchling will be female. Genic sex determination. In this type of sex determination, a particular genotype at one or more loci determine the sex of an individual. There is no exact sex chromosome. This type of sex determination is found in some plant, fungi, protozoans. One of the example of genic sex determination is papaya. In papaya, a single gene having three alleles, small m, m1, m2, are assumed to control the sex differentiation. If the genotype of this gene is small m, then it will be expressed as female plant. If the genotype is M1M, then it will be expressed as male plant. If the genotype will be M2 then it will express hermaphrodite plant. The genotype like M1M1, M1M2 and M2M2 are inviable due to the recessive lethal characteristics of M1 and M2 allele. The next type is chromosomal sex determination, where sex is determined by sex chromosomes. The discovery of X chromosome. In 1891, Hermann Hecking noticed a peculiar structure in the nucleus of cells from male insects and called this structure as X body. In 1902, Clarence E. McClung studied the X body in grasshopper and recognized it as a chromosome. Eventually, it is known as X chromosome. In 1905, Nite, Stephen, and Edmund Wilson demonstrated that in grasshopper and other insects, the cells of female have two X chromosome, whereas the cells of male have a single X chromosome. Stephen and Wilson also found that some male cells have a single X chromosome and a small chromosome. They called it as Y chromosome. They also discovered that sex is associated with the inheritance of a particular chromosome. The sex in many organisms is determined by a pair of chromosomes, the sex chromosome, which differ between male and female. The non-sex chromosomes are same for male and female. These chromosomes are called as autosomes. Actually, sex chromosome of an organism is determined by the individual gene located on the sex chromosome. They are responsible for the sexual phenotype of that individual. There are three types of chromosomal sex determination, such as XXX0 sex determination, XXXY sex determination, and ZZZW sex determination. XXX0 sex determination. Here, females have two X chromosomes and males have a single X chromosome. The letter O indicates absence of a sex chromosome. Here, females are homogametic, producing a single type of X having X chromosome in each haploid X. But males are heterogametic, producing two types of sperms. That is, half of the sperms contain the single X chromosome and half receive no sex chromosome. This type of sex determination is found in grasshopper, cockroach, and bugs. XXXY sex determination. Here, the cells of male and female have the same number of chromosomes, but cells of females have two X chromosomes, whereas the cells of males have a single X chromosome and a smaller Y chromosome. This type of sex determination is found in all mammals and some insects. In this system, males are heterogametic and females are homogametic. Males produce two types of male gametes. Half of the male gamete have a single X chromosome and half of the gametes have Y chromosome. Female produces a single type of gamete having one X chromosome. ZZZW sex determination. Here, females are heterogametic and males are homogametic. Females have one Z chromosome and one W chromosome. They produce two types of X. Half of the X have Z chromosome and other half have W chromosome. Whereas males have two Z chromosome and produces all sperm containing a single Z chromosome. To prevent confusion between XXXY system and ZZZW system, here the sex chromosomes are named as Z and W. This type of sex determination is found in birds, some reptiles, and fishes. Haplodiploidy. In this system, the number of genotype determine the sex of the individual. This method of sex determination is found in honeybee, wasps, ants, and termites. Here, diploid organisms are females, whereas haploid organisms are males. Females are produced by the fusion of a sperm and egg, whereas males are produced by parthenogenesis or arenotoky. Parthenogenesis is the phenomenon where an individual is developed from unfertilized egg. This is the whole idea about 4 types of sex determination. And thank you.